Hey, what's happening? It's your boy Mike Williams, and if you're watching this video, that means that you're interested in learning how to use messenger bots on Facebook, with Facebook fan pages, Facebook ads. I actually started with Facebook Messenger bots in 2017, January 2017. So I was only promoting one product from January to about June or July, and you probably know it was like MCA. So we did a total of 805 members last year, okay, which is really, really good. 805 members. That total cash flow is probably like $35,000 or something like that. And then on the JV Zoo side, we did another 6,800 plus, and a couple of other little small things that we sold. But about seven grand from January 1 to April 15th. Okay, and I show you those numbers just to say that it was all done with messenger bots. But the thing is, when I was using messenger bots, I wasn't building a list. So recently, a couple of weeks ago, I started using ManyChat. What I'm going to share with you is different from ManyChat, though. I think that what I'm going to share with you is actually better than ManyChat, right? I think it's actually better. But I just wanted to show you, using ManyChat over the course of the last couple of weeks. If I send out a broadcast, I got 430 opens, right? With about 28% clicks, 4.4% on the click-through rate, which is great, and another 67.61% on the open rate, which is great. Okay, so not only am I building a list rapidly, but if I broadcast them, I actually have a lot of people opening it up and reading the content. Even if they don't click, like the fact that they opened it up and read the content, that's a big deal to me. So if I compared the same list to this new Aweber account I got, same message, right? 9.6% open, 0.5% click-through rate. And you look at the numbers, only 73 opened, only 4 clicks. And this was email, okay? Email versus messenger bots, okay? And what I want to share with you is called SellinMessenger, which is a far better tool than ManyChat. It opens on the 22nd of April. So if you're watching this and it's the 22nd of April, you could sign up with the link below. If it's before April 22nd, you're just going to have to wait around. And what you're going to do is, because you're watching this video right now, that means you're on my email list, right? You're on my email list, right? I'm going to market to you, right? This is what it is. I'm a marketer. But that first email I sent you has a link to my group, okay? Get access to my group, okay? Once you get into the group, I will determine, before I let you in the group, I'll determine if you're there for, to work with me, or you're there for the affiliate programs. And if, whatever the case may be, I'll add you to my file that's specifically for affiliates and different tools that they can use to build their business. I'll add you to that file, and you'll simply see access to the SellinMessenger bot, okay, on the 22nd. At least I can remind you and give you updates to buy it, because if you buy SellinMessenger from me, I'm gonna hook you up with a few things, okay? I'm gonna give you a few things here. Let me type it in. Actually, let me just go to the group. I think I'm in my wife's Facebook account, but that's okay. Well, she's access to the group too. Okay, get access to my group in the file section. Okay, you're gonna get a few things. You're gonna get my 8-step routine ebook. Okay, same steps I use every single day to dominate the internet, how to end procrastination and build a dynamic business online in 90 days. You're also gonna get my 8-step routine video course as well. Okay, and this is if you buy the messenger bot through me. I'm gonna give you access. You can get here. Here's the access here. If you're checking out, it's an 8 video series. It breaks down my 8-step routine on how I pretty much, create income every day online. And then you'll get my 10K team building worksheet, my commitment organizer as well, and a few different things. Great content. So all that's going to be yours for absolutely free. Okay. For even joining the group, you'll get access to that. That's a big deal to me. And so forth and so on. So what else we got here? So yeah, so SellinMessenger bot is going to be, it does far better things, from it says here, build beautiful, engaging conversations with customers. That's true, but you can do it on automation. So literally, you'll be having a conversation with your your prospect, and you probably be doing something else, right? Inbuilt Facebook Messenger lead generation tools. I'm also going to show a review of the tool as well. So you want to get in the group for that. I'm going to show you a review of the tool, how how I'm going to use it and how you can use it too. You can send out bulk messages, 99% open rate, ability to use Facebook Messenger as help desk tool. That's cool. Read and reply from the actual system. That's cool. Import products if you're into Shopify. That's really, really cool. Works with a lot of different websites. Facebook approved API. That's huge, right? That's very, very important. And integration with Zapier. If you don't know what Zapier is, man, you got a lot of learning to do. So this is cool. Not a lot of programs get approved to be integrated with Zapier, and Zapier does some really cool things, which I can teach you with Zapier as well. But this Messenger bot tool is really, really dope. I killed it with Messenger bots a few months last year. But I didn't build the list because I had a different tool that was trash. If I would have had ManyChat, I probably would have built a bigger list. But now, the SellinMessenger is coming out. I'm gonna test it out, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a better tool than ManyChat. I'm really digging it. All right. So what you're gonna do is, like I said, join my group. Join the group. There should be probably a link below that says join the group somewhere in there. I'll hyperlink it. Join the group. All right. Once you get access to the group, I'll send you a messenger just to see what you're coming to the group for, so I can point you in the right direction and tag you in the right file section so you can get updates when everything drops. It's gonna be really cool. All right. So it's your boy Mike Williams. Don't hesitate to reach out to me via Facebook. We can chat a little bit, but this tool's definitely going to be the bomb.com. So I'm looking forward to doing some training with it. Looking forward to get some results with it, and doing it together and so forth and so on, so we can keep rocking and building these businesses like we said we would. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.